are at Grandma's Thai Food, which is 50 meters from our hotel. And we are, today we have the honor of having her company. Hello! She didn't just come here, we grabbed her. And then she became very comfortable with us the first second. And I gave her my phone and she played that Tokyo Monster game. We're gonna make a quick video and then you can have the phone back, okay? Say hi. No, okay. And here's my partner in... Ew. She wants to do the ping pong girl. Okay, we're having...
Don't tell people that.
Spicy pork rib soup.
Spicy pork spare rib soup.
Spare rib soup with
Papaya and crab
and
salad.
crab salad. And our
fresh
coconut.
coconuts.
Yeah, and our rice. Okay, little girl, you want to have your game back? We're gonna eat
I
now.
have to fuel up to get ready for my ping pong show.
Ew, Judy has to get ready for the ping pong
ball very
performance.
far into the audience.
Ew, stop! I'm showing boys like this. Okay, can I go home? Hang on, lamb. Okay, bye. I say bye, Judy. We don't care about you. Okay, bye, little girl. Say bye. Bye. Okay, you can have the game.